I'm loving all things rainbow, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a marbled rainbow buttercream today. Welcome back to Shalice Bakes Cakes. Rainbow is my jam. It's just something about the bright colors, it's just happy and fun. So I'm gonna show you an easy technique to make marbled rainbow buttercream on your cake. There's lots of different techniques to get that rainbow on your cake, but today I'm just gonna show you an easy, fun way. And making rainbow is very fun, but it also takes a lot of extra time and a lot more dishes because you have to change every color of buttercream that you're going to use, and therefore you have lots more dishes to do after you're done baking. So I'm gonna show you guys a tip today where you don't have to use 6 different bowls because we don't need that much of one color. So you can see I just have a plate in front of me and I just put 6 scoops of buttercream right on this plate. And then I'm going to just add my food coloring right in to each little scoop and just mix the color in right there. So we have 6 different colors on one plate instead of 6 different bowls of buttercream. So just think of it as you're painting because they like to have all their colors right there with them. There you go. Now we have all of our buttercream right in front of us. Now I have my angled spatula and I'm just gonna get a color and we're just gonna start spreading it all around the cake. Just swipe the color all around and then get another color and do the same thing until we have all the colors on the cake. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just swipe them all around. It's okay if they touch each other. It's okay if they're not perfect because we're just gonna blend them all together here in a minute. So just get all those colors on your cake. Now we have a rainbow cake and you can leave it like this if you like this look. It's kind of a fun look, but mine is a little bit more messy because I knew that I was going to blend it together. So if you do like this look, you can just do it a little bit cleaner and then you have a fun rainbow cake. Today though, I'm showing you how we make it marbled. And all we're gonna do, guys, is get my cake scraper and we're just gonna start going all the way around with it. Remember, 90-degree angle and nice and soft as you go. Pull it with your turntable and your turntable will move and just keep on swiping that buttercream. Remember, just a light touch around the cake and we're just gonna keep on swiping until you like the look that you have. This look will leave little holes in your buttercream. That's just the look I was going for, and so you just keep on swiping and you can see that marbled rainbow look coming together. If you wanna put a little bit more buttercream, you can see that I'm adding a little bit more colors here, and then I'll swipe it away again until I'm satisfied with my rainbow marbled look. So fun, so cute. This cake, like I said, it's definitely an easier way to get a rainbow marble look. You can, if you want, do it a different way so you don't have the holes, but I actually like the holes for this look. If you want, I'll do another tutorial about how we actually cover the whole cake in rainbow without the holes in it. But today I'm just showing you a fun, easy rainbow technique. You can see I added some final touches to this fun rainbow marble cake, but really the technique is super simple. All we do is just swipe that buttercream, all those different colors, all around our cake, and then get our cake scraper and we just scrape it away and it blends together and makes this fun marbled look on our cake. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalice Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and have an awesome day.